Firstly, the saw blade shakes when cutting. Please make sure the pressure plate is installed in place. Secondly, check whether the blade screws are tightened in place. And use the included wrench to tighten the screws. Secondly, if the saw blades don't move when cutting, please check whether it is installed correctly. If the installation is correct, please check whether it needs to replace the new saw blade. Thirdly, if the saw blade jams during cutting, you can first move the saw blade back and then advance it again for cutting. Please put the board on a flat platform, do not let one end hang in the air, and at the same time reduce the propulsion speed appropriately. Then, when it cannot be cut straight, it is recommended to use a guide ruler to assist in cutting the size within the range of the guide ruler, or draw the auxiliary line in advance and cut along the auxiliary line. Finally, how to prevent the equipment from becoming hot or smoking during cutting. If the saw blade is jammed, the equipment should be stopped immediately and restarted. Generally, the equipment should be shut down and rested for 5 to 10 minutes after continuous operation for 30 minutes to avoid the device being damaged.